My name is Abdul Rehman. I am studying in 8th standard in KER Public School. I want to become a software developer and I'm learning about coding right now. I have started my own project for that, so everyone can learn computer. If it is blind or it is normal person, everyone can learn that. In my class, there are 15 to 16 people who are attending the computer workshop daily. So firstly, I have teach them about the notepad, and then secondly, I have teach them about the Google Chrome. And there are many things right now which I can teach them.
Everyone listen? Yes. There is a desktop icon on your desktop. Yes. Who have installed the BGD? Yes. Click on control panel on your desktop. We have to open it. Where is it? Click on control panel on your desktop. Just open the control panel. Who did not have BGD? I will help you to the installation. Ask Ayan for downloading BGD or installing BGD. Firstly, we are going to set up the NVIDIA remote, these different systems. So if a student group need any help, so they will just call me and ask me this is the problem and this is our group remote key. So I will just activate the remote key in my system with my remote and NVIDIA remote and will control their machine and solve their problem. If there is something problem which can solve by them and they will learn something new, so I will tell them also like you have to solve this like this. So they learn something new also and they solve that problem also.
First, I will talk about blind people. So, technology is like a kind of hope for them. Jobs of bank, there are now like Microsoft companies also. So people can get an opportunity to work on a nice organization while learning computer. So as I think that technology is now kind of one more extension of physical works, and you can do almost 70% of what you do in physical. Like you read textbooks, you can read textbook on Google, you can go to your work, you can do work from home, and you can attend the online classes for many things like tuitions, online coding classes, online courses.
Also in here. Loading is okay. Who has opened that software? Like who have clicked on it? Anyone else? Just two groups? And say, okay, you clicked on that software? Okay, so now there is coming a license user permission? Yes. So click on I accept the license user permission.
We can learn many things while exploring. So just like I tell that I use everything and explore everything by my curiosity, and I click on everything to see what it does. So same like people, they can do that and they can explore many new things and they can learn a lot things.
अब्दुल पूरे स्कूल में एक ऐसा बच्चा, स्पेशल बच्चा है। टीचर्स देख लो, बच्चे देख लो, मैं पर्सनली सभी लोग उसे बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहते हैं। तो कोडिंग अभी बच्चों को सिखा रहा है, वो खुद भी बहुत ही अपना इनपुट देता है कोडिंग के लिए। रात को वो पूरे रात को वो कोडिंग का ही सीखता रहता है, सुबह में फिर वापस से यहाँ पर मॉर्निंग में स्कूल आना। तो गवर्नमेंट को इन बच्चों के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम शेड्यूल, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, ये थोड़ा सा टीचिंग में लाना चाहिए, बिकॉज वो सारे बच्चे बाकी सारों बच्चों के साथ पूरा टाइमिंग नहीं दे पाएंगे एजुकेशन में।
उनकी दुनिया यही है, यही दुनिया में से वो आगे जा रहा है। अपने तो विजुलाइज करते हैं तो अपने सब चीज़ को उस तरीके से लेते हैं, लेकिन उनका तरीका अलग रहता है ना। तो कभी भी कुछ भी उसको मतलब हम लोग टाइम नहीं बिगाड़ते, उसका जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो तुरंत ही फुलफिल करते हैं।
वो एज ए ब्लाइंड दूसरों के लिए कोई ज़रिया बने, ये मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है कि वो खुद की तो कोई वो नहीं है, पर वो किसी और को तो सहारा दे सकेगा ना। मैंने सिर्फ उसको इतना बोला है कि करते रहो, कोई चीज़ में हमेशा डोंट गिव अप, भले जो होवे वो, हमेशा थिंकिंग पॉजिटिव रखो।
It will help them in the studies also, and the world is getting now more advanced and advanced. Our India also getting more advanced. So I think to make a education where everyone is studying with their laptops, their computers, and they don't need anyone's help, not even textbooks. Like this will improve their education, and when they will learn at their self, when they will independently learn at their own, then they will understand the things better than they are understanding in the classes.